Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different. I have guests and we are doing something totally different today. We are doing a mukbang. Don't know how you pronounce it. But anyway, we have Miss Chloe right here. We have the man of the house. You want to tell them who you are? Come on. Don't be shy. Speak to my subs.
Man in the house, Mr. Hardeman.
And then we have
DeAndre.
This is DeAndre, and he has his own channel.
Subscribe to my channel, Dre Hard Gaming, all caps.
All right, before we get into the video, if you are not a part of the squad, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to click your bell so you don't miss out on anything. Share the video, and we have decided to do a review on the KFC donut chicken sandwich. Ooh. It looks nothing like the commercial and how they sell it to you. Look at this. Look at that. So we have two sandwiches here, and what we're going to do, because we will each try some, we will split each sandwich in half so that we can each get a half. And we're gonna see what all the hype is about. While they're getting Coco on the phone, Coco is our oldest that attends Texas A&M University. And since we have this global crisis going on right now, she did not want to come home. She stayed at school, and here she is. Can you show your face?
No, because I'm not like video material right now.
Here she is. You're on the vlog.
Oh my god.
So we're including you in the family mukbang, and we are doing a review on these good old chicken donut sandwiches.
I don't want to do a review because I'm on that either.
Okay, we just got you here for moral support because we're having a mukbang. So you're gonna have to talk. You want that one? Tika, you want this one? Get it. All right, here is the moment of truth. We are about to dive in. Ready? 1, 2, come on. 3. Daddy not happy about being on camera, but come on, let's bite. It's good. It actually tastes good. I like it. What y'all think? Come on, it's good. Mr. Hardeman?
It's all right.
What kind of donuts are these?
Kentucky Fried Donuts.
Are they Krispy Kreme or something?
Kentucky Fried Donuts.
Oh, that's what they are, really?
Yes.
Oh.
That's a real donut.
You got donuts for real?
You can get them for $1. They had over there, Kentucky Fried Donuts.
This donuts good.
Man, this is very good. Like, for real.
They're very unhealthy.
And very unhealthy. Yes, it is. We know.
It's some type of junk food.
Because you have donuts, you have fried chicken. They're not healthy individually, so they're really not healthy together. This was your great idea to do half.
I know.
Which it was smart. But see, we knew that a healthy sandwich wouldn't do anything for us. So that's why we have this right here.
Yeah!
Woo! And then we have biscuits, potato wedges,
Okay.
and then we have mac and cheese. Okay, y'all, before we move on, let's rate the donut sandwich. So, what do you rate it?
I give it a 7.
You give it a 7, Coco.
I give it a 7.
You give it a 7? Why you give it a 7?
Pretty good.
But I mean, well, why not a 10?
You asked me what I give it. I gave it a 7.
But I'm saying, why did you give it a 7?
You asked me what I give it. I gave it a 7.
Okay, but why not a 10? Because it was very good.
You give it a 10. I'm giving it a 7.
Okay, well, I give it a 10, y'all.
He has spoken.
8.5.
8.5, why? What did you like about it, what you didn't like about it to not give it a 10?
I like the taste about it.
You can't get a 10, you had the whole sandwich.
But it wasn't just like amazing though. Like 10 gotta be like amazing.
Amazing. So it wasn't amazing. But it was good. Chloe? Chloe gives it a 10. Everybody grab a piece of chicken. Act like they biting. Thumbnail.
Thumbnail.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's been a long time since I had KFC chicken. Tell us how y'all feeling about this COVID-19 that's going on that have y'all out of school. This global crisis.
The only part that I don't like about this is like the coronavirus part. That's
Alright.
the part.
I like being out of school because I don't. Well,
Tell the truth, shame the devil.
I don't just love going to school, but like I go to. It's actually pretty fun.
But
I like playing my game too.
And the reason he says that because during the school week, from Sunday at a certain time through Thursday, it's no game during the week because all your focus needs to be on school. Coco, tell us how you doing out there.
I'm doing fine. I'm okay. I'm cleaning the house.
I don't like going outside no more.
me,
I don't want to go to places with a lot of people.
Daddy, if I get A's and B's, can I get a bully? I'm serious.
No, she's serious. She been asking me for that.
Where you gonna put the beef?
Oh, wait.
And then when you work out, I'm gonna take it on the walk.
Is this your first time eating KFC?
I honestly don't know.
I ate it before.
So who do you
It was a
prefer,
long time ago.
KFC or Popeyes?
You talking about chicken sandwich?
No, I'm talking about chicken. I can't say
So
what
I would go with
Which one better?
Popeyes.
Popeyes.
KFC is
I mean, that's what I
pretty
prefer.
good.
I hate chicken.
Well, Tiki, how do you feel about being on camera today? How do you like it?
Wait.
DeAndre thinks he's getting a tattoo when he's 16. When the girls both
That's
had
what
to
he
wait
told-
till they were 18.
That's what y'all told me.
Who's y'all?
He told me.
Nobody want the macaroni?
You don't like it?
I like it, but I like yours better. Your macaroni is so good.
Because I can cook.
You can cook like grandma type cooking, but better.
Y'all not even talking.
I don't know about no mukbang.
Mukbang.
If
Mukbang.
it's good, you get some more.
It's good, but it's not good.
How is that possible?
How it's going in my mind.
That's how your mind works.
So it really is good, Chloe. It's not. It is. It's okay.
It's not good, but it's good.
It's not good, but it's good.
It's okay.
That was actually good, y'all. It's a Sunday, almost 9 o'clock in the evening. We were supposed to do this since earlier. It was actually the kids' idea to do a review on the donut sandwich. This is totally out of the element of my channel, but I mean, they're trying to help me to increase my subscribers, so we giving it a try. And then it was good to eat something different anyway.
Can I end the call or no?
You want to get off the phone with us? Just like a college student, she didn't want to come home and now she want to get off the phone. It's fine, we can end the call. We can end the call. Love you, we all love you, everyone.
Love you, Coco, so much.
Y'all too.
All right, tell everyone peace out.
Bye.
Bye, Coco.
We are now signing off of our very first mukbang. Remember, if you did not subscribe, click that subscribe button. Remember to click your notification bell. Don't forget to share it. Sharing means caring. And now we are signing off. This is Team Hardiman ending our very first mukbang. Peace out. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one, beauties.
Follow me on TikTok at Chloe's_closet and Instagram.
So make sure you follow Chloe at Chloe's_closet right here at Chloe's_closet. So, adios, beauty.
A few moments later.
Baby, come give me something, oh.